Ito siya, guys. Ayan siya. Ito na siya, guys. Ilalagay lang siya sa taas. Ayan. Upside down. Ito siya. Hello, my amigos, and today we're going to unbox a product from McDonald's. No further ado, let's get into the unboxing. So guys, we have a new product from McDonald's, which is the July 2026. It's a Spider-Man Brand New Day toys, guys. So let's get started. So ito sila, guys. There are only 4. Before you get this, you need to buy for at least 390 pesos. Medyo mahal. Kasi special edition is 390 pesos. And this is not the Happy Meal toys, guys. It's the ano na siya. This is a Spider-Man collectibles. Iba pa yung McDonald's na Happy Meals na, which is ito sila, guys. Ayan siya. Ito naman is iba yung toy nito. So maganda to. Kaya mahal. So this one is the side hang Spider-Man. Ito siya. Ito naman is the hammer Spider-Man. Hammock. Here's the hammock Spider-Man. And then, the crouching Spider-Man. Ayan. The upside down Spider-Man. And 4 lang sila na i-collect mo. And, maganda yung packaging niya, guys. And very, ano siya, very social. Very mahal. So let's start with the side hang Spider-Man. Ayan. Oh my gosh. So we have inside here. Oh. So wala na siyang laman. So ito yung pinakabago. Na-release ito nung July. Kailan ito na-release? July 29th. July 29th siya na-release, guys. So, very easy lang siya to assemble. And yung gagawin niya, and then there's an instruction sa likod. Ito siya, instruction sa likod. And yung gagawin niya, magkakabit siya dito. Paano ba? Kakabit. Paano siya? Ito. Yan. Ito siya, guys. Diba na makaganda? You can buy this for as low as 390 pesos. Based dito sa ads nila. Ay, sorry. Marvel Studio Spider-Man Brand New Day exclusively in theaters 2026. Sabi, napakaganda naman talaga siya, guys. So here's the hanging, diba? Side hang Spider-Man. Ito yung first. Then next we have the hammock Spider-Man. Ito siya. Okay. Same thing, they have this kind of a stand and different naman yung approach nito. So first off is ititilt lang natin ito. Ayan siya. May instruction naman, guys, sa likod. So, it's very easy for you to understand what to do. Ipapauna mo siya. Ayan. Huh? Parang mahirap naman ito. And then, kukunin mo si Spider-Man. So, parang, ano ba? Maghang siya. Ayan. Ito na siya. Ipapasok mo yung paa niya. Di ko alam. So, ipapasok siya. Ibe-bend. Tapos ilalagay. So, ito, ipapasok yun dito. Tapos ibe-bend daw siya. Parang ganito. Ibe-bend. Hirap naman i-bend to. Ayan. Ibe-bend, tapos ipapasok yung paa. Yan. Hindi ba ito mamawasak, pre? So, ito na siya, guys. Diyan siya nakalala sa kabila. Ayan siya. McDonald's. Hindi ko alam dito. Ay, shit. Ay. May gas-gas na siya agad, oh. Ayun, oh. Nakikita niyo ba? Ibe-bend. Tapos ilalagay sa kabila. Kabila siguro. Kabilang side. Ayun. Kabilang side pala. Ayan siya. Basta ganyan. Oh, nandyan siya dyan. Ayun. So, here's the hammock Spider-Man. Hammock. Ayan siya. Next, we have the crouching Spider-Man. Oh, ibang approach naman to. Okay. So, instructions dito, ilalagay mo muna yung M, and then ilalagay siya sa taas. Ayun. Ayun na siya. Ito na siya, guys. Ilalagay lang siya sa taas. So here's the crouching Spider-Man. And then lastly, we have the upside down Spider-Man. So, ilalagay natin ulit yung stand and upside down daw siya. So, ilalagay siya dito. Ayun. Ayan. Upside down. Ito siya. So, here's the upside down Spider-Man. So, here's the four Spider-Man, guys. We have the side hang Spider-Man, or hammock Spider-Man, crouching Spider-Man, and upside down Spider-Man. So, showing na siya ngayon, guys, at theater nationwide. And ito na siya, guys. That's all for today's video, guys. Thank you very much for watching, and see you on my next unboxing. And this is Migos. Peace out. Bye!